guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be doing the 5-element challenge where we start with one element. We're going with fire first, and then we will go on to the next element. We are going to be battling Pgpro Gamer for this. Go subscribe to him. Make sure to subscribe to me. Also, we are trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. We just hit 500. Thank you guys so much for that. And yeah, let's just get into the video. Okay, so here we are. He went with Mag Mischief and Ember Shed. I went with Mag Mayhem and Mag Mischief. So yeah, it should be pretty evened out. Okay, so he does 3,942 damage. Let's see how much we do. 3,941. So he is one more health than us, which means we should take him out about the same time he takes out Mag Mayhem. Okay, so we got that question right as well. He does 4,312, and we almost get taken out. And we do 4,303. We do 10 less damage, or he has 10 more damage than us. And I guess I'm going with Wildfire right here. And we get yet another question correct, and now we are just waiting for him to answer it, and there we go. We take out his Mag Mischief. Let's see if he goes with it. Yep, he does. And not sure what to go with right here. It's going to be tough, but I think I'm going to have to go with Mag Mischief. Okay, so we got the question right. Hopefully, dang it, he took us out.
Oh no!
Dang. Okay. Looks like we are going to lose this one. Got the question right. He misses it.
This usually works.
Well, performance issues, it's not uncommon. 1 out of 5.
Okay. That was kind of surprising that he missed it. That put his max down to 0. We might actually have a shot at winning this.
You can do it!
Let's see how much he does. 3,833. Like I said, he was not going to be able to take me out. We should, 5,177. I was going to say we should do about 5,000 damage, and we do. So it looks like we are going to win this one, surprisingly. It looked over at that one point. We'll use Star Smash to just finish it off. This Supernova for some reason. And yeah, there was no way that was going to take me out because Supernova is very ineffective. We do 5,173 and win the battle. Okay, so we are in the Earth battle. He's going with Sentinel, and I'm not sure what that one's called. We could go with Volcanon right here. I'm kind of tempted to. I'm going to use it. So we get the question correct. He uses Forest Hurricane and misses. We do Volcanon and hit with 5,337. Which means that I can now go to using plant moves. Okay, so we take out Sentinel with 4,095, and this is looking pretty good for us so far. Get the question correct and use Volcanon, 6,144. That is very powerful. He uses Overgrowth on all of us, 3,400. Okay, so that did not do a lot. And we should be able to take out Force Creator. Okay, so we got that correct. I know it's a little cheesy that we're only using Volcanon, but it's an elemental challenge, so it doesn't.
Help me! Help me!
That you have to use elements, like specific elements from the pets. It just has to be. You just have to use a relic that is Earth and use a pet that is Earth. And I have Battle Crash. This is sad. After a nice debate, I decided to use Arcturion and Keeper because Keeper has fire. I was going to use Frostfang or Ivory Truckle, but I decided not to because they don't have fire moves, and yeah, I'm just gonna put on the Relic. Okay, so he goes with Arcturion and Mystical, I'm pretty sure that is. And the answer is 2. We use Snowing Ball and 3,497. He uses Snowing Ball and does 3,474. So we do more than him, but that does not really matter at this point. So we do 3,846. He does 3,892, and he did more than me. So we do Snowing Ball and do 4,280, and I am an absolute stupid idiot. Hopefully, okay, Volcanon is gonna. Let's see how much Snowing Ball will do. So the answer is 5. And I just realized that I am still an idiot because I did not use a multi-attack. At this point, I might as well just not use the multi-attack. 5,391, okay. 4,861. It looks like we are going to lose this battle. So we do 5,807. And he takes out my Keeper. So we have no choice but to put in our Wizard, and we are going to use Charclone. Hopefully this can do something good for us. That was the weakest thing I've ever seen. He misses. Okay.
You can do it!
Okay, so we are going to use Falling Star Smash. We have this about wrapped up because he missed a question, meaning his max thingy goes back down to 0. I'm not 100% sure what the max thingy is. I'm pretty sure it's just a bonus. But we do 5,230. He's going to do about maybe 4,000 damage. Let's see. 3,786. So we do win this battle as well.
Nice.
I thought I was going to lose there for sure. Very lucky that he missed. So yeah. Okay, so he does 4,175. We should kill him. Yep, there we go. 5,198. And we win that battle. I'm going with Arbite and Nebulite. Arbite does 8,798. It's pretty much the same as Spectral. And then we have Nebulite, which is the same as Keeper. So we're pretty much just going with 2 that we've already used. He goes with Glorcius and Big Hex. Kind of, like, I never see why I don't use Glorcius, but it's fine. Because apparently Glorcius is really good, but Arbite is pretty much the same as Glorcius. Okay, so that does 3,996. And he does 3,724. So he does a little bit more than me, but that is fine. See how much it does? 4,076. He will probably get me under 1,000 right here. Yep, 4,127. I called it. And what I'm going to do is... no, I can't use Spherical Crush. So I guess I have to go with unlimited power right here. Kinda sad. So we take out his Glorcius. Let's see what he does. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, this is exactly what I was afraid of. Okay, so I guess we are going to go with Volcanon because why not? Okay, so he does Iron Cannon. Big Hex's thing looks really cool. and he takes out our bite. And we do Volcan doing 5,757. Very powerful. So I'm going to do Forest Hurricane because there's no need for us to do a multi-move anymore and save up our energy. Okay, so you just missed Big Hex's animation, but we take out Big Hex so you can't see it anymore. But Nebulite is down to, I think he did 3,007 damage on him, but I'm not sure, that's not a lot, and he has to put in his wizard now. Okay, we do 3,788 damage. He uses Supernova, which will obviously not take out Nebulite because Supernova is a very bad move, as I've said many times. I don't know why it's so bad, it just is. So we take out his wizard, and he misses, so we win yet another game. Okay, so we are going with my two favorite, Aquaster Coral and Chillin' Char. Okay, so he's going with Squirrel and guess that's River Creator? I don't remember. Okay, so we get the question right. So does he does 3,650. We do 3,510, so we are actually quote unquote beating him right now, which is not real because it's too early in the game to decide who's winning. Okay, so we do 3,873. He should do maybe 4,000. I was going to say 3,900, but 4,000 seems a little more realistic. So it seems like we're going with a good strategy here. We'll use Down Portal because that's really all we can do right now. Okay, so we take out Squirrel. So let's see what he does. He misses, okay. Which means that we can keep in Aquaster Coral. And it looks like we are actually going to take the whole series, quote unquote. Because I'm going to count that we won the whatever game because we were on track to win it. So we got the question right. We were on track to win the game. We were also on track to win the Earth game, but then the battle crash happened. I'm not sure if we actually missed it or if the battle crash just did that, but let's see if we can pull off the win. Okay, so we put in Chillin' Char. I'm gonna use Torrents because I don't want to use a fire move right here. Okay, so we get it right. And let's see if he does. Okay, he does 4,000, or we do 4,483, which is pretty good. And he misses again. We're going to go with a fire move this time because that is Chillin' Char's most powerful move, especially right now. So we should do about 5,500 or 5,200. He does 3,900, I'm pretty sure. Yep, 5,201, so I was right on the prediction. It's pretty easy to predict how much they're going to do. Okay, so he uses Supernova, which has no shot at taking us out. And we use Volcan, which should do about 5,200 again. 5,197, so 3 off. And we win the battle, meaning that we win every single one if you count the one where where we end the battle. Okay, so we are actually going to do one more battle, and this one is a bit weird. We are going to be doing an astral battle, which means that we can only use astral stuff. And this is the team that we are going with against him. Just me against his wizard. And here we are. If he gets a question wrong, then I win because I'm on first grade math. And I highly doubt I'm ever going to miss a question. Okay, so he gets it right. He is 3,827. And we get it right doing 3,847. So he has 20 less damage than us. So he does 4,180. Hopefully we don't do 4,160. 4,152. And we now have less damage than him. Yep, there we go, Supernova. 2,100 or 2,079 damage left for us. 982 damage left for him. It all comes down to this last question, if he gets it right or not, or if I get it right or not. Okay, so I got it right, he got it right, and it looks like it's going to end up in a draw, as I expected it to. So yeah, that's pretty much going to end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, as I said in the beginning. Subscribe to Pgpro Gamer. I'll leave his channel in the description. And yeah, bye.